Hi dear students, welcome back to our channel N. Vinay Kumar Basics of Physics. Children, in the previous video we discussed about the rules to draw the ray diagrams of a convex lens. Now we are going to discuss about the ray diagrams of a lens. So very important topic children. మనకి ఖచ్చితంగా 4 మార్క్స్కి ఇవ్వడానికి స్కోప్ ఉన్నటువంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి. వెరీ ఈజీ వన్. ఓకే, లెట్స్ గో ఫర్ దట్. In this video we are going to discuss about especially this one, case 1, ray diagrams, class 10, case 1. What it is? Object is placed beyond the center of curvature on the principal axis. Where is the object? Object is beyond the center of curvature. Beyond the center of curvature. Object is placed beyond the center of curvature. Then where the image can be formed and what is the nature of the image, let's discuss. So children, it is a biconvex lens and now it is a principal axis. What it is? Principal axis. Clear? And this side is we have F1 and C1. And this side we have F2 and C2. సో వీటిని ఎలా గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి అని నేను ఆల్రెడీ ఒక వీడియో చేశాను, ఈ ప్లేలిస్ట్లో ఉండి చెక్ చేసుకోండి. ఎందుకు ఇటువైపు F1 C1 తీసుకుంటారు, ఎందుకు ఇటు F2 C2 తీసుకుంటారో నేను క్లియర్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను. ఇంతవరకు ఆ వీడియో చూడకపోతే సార్ చూడండి. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, వాడు ఏమన్నాడుగా, ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఈస్ ప్లేస్డ్ బియాండ్ ది సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్. సో ప్లేస్డ్ బియాండ్ ది సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్. దిస్ ఈజ్ C2 అండ్ నౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ ద S. This is the object. This is the object. Clear children? Now here look here once. Clear? So this is the object. That's why I am showing. This is now object. Clear? From that object, one light ray is coming like this. That is parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, that should be passes through the focus. And next, second ray is I am drawing separately here. Second ray is that is coming from the object and that should be passes through the optic center. When it is passes through the optic center, there is no deviation of its path. Clear? Now in this case we are getting the image at this point, so we are showing now. So this is the S image. Clear? Clear children? So this is the object and now this is the image. I am saying now it is OA and this is IB. Clear? So in the diagram what you observed here, OA is the object and IB is the image. Clear children? So this is the way of moving of the light ray and this is the like this. So this is simply about the diagram. Then what about the nature of the image? Nature of the image. Children, how it is there? We have to explain. Now first you have to observe the size of the object and size of the image. Now I think so object size is more than the size of the image. So that's why it is the dimensioned image. What it is? Dimensioned image. Why? Because size of the image is less than the size of the object. That's why it is dimensioned image. That's the first thing. And second thing is here how it is inverted or erect. So object is like this and the image is getting like this. It is reverse. That's why what I have to say, that is inverted image. What it is? Inverted image. And third thing is here the location, what it is, between F1 and C1. And next thing is what here, it is a real image, children. What is the nature of image? That is the real image. So what we are getting invertedly, they are almost all real image. And if you can keep a screen here, we will find out the image on the screen. So this is the nature of the image. So children, tell me now, object is placed beyond the center of curvature on the principal axis, then what happened? Where will you get the image? Yes, where will you get? Yes. Then continuation, object is placed beyond the center of curvature on the principal axis, then image is formed in between what it is, F1 and C1. Clear, children? So once again, see here the given situation, what it is, the object is beyond center of curvature. Beyond center of curvature means what it is, we are taken beyond the C2. This is the object. Clear? Where we are getting the image? S, in between F1 and C1, children. So you have to observe in the rule, what we have, some rules are there. In those rules we are taken only 2 rules. The first thing is what, the blue color ray what you are finding here, that is parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, that is passes to the focus point. That is the rule first we have to follow. And second ray is, it is passes to the optic center, then there is no deviation in its path. So where these 2 refracted rays are meet, there we are getting the image. Clear? And the nature of image, what it is, dimensional, inverted and real image. So children, this is about the one of the case of ray diagrams. ఓకే, మీకు నెక్స్ట్ ఫర్దర్ రే డయాగ్రామ్స్ కావాలంటే నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోస్ కూడా కంటిన్యూస్గా ఫాలో అవ్వండి. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఇంకా మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎవరైనా ఉంటే వాళ్ళకి మన ఛానల్ సజెస్ట్ చేయండి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.